Hello viewers and welcome to Review Information. In this video I will show you how to search for your Facebook friends from your contacts. Go to the Facebook app from your apps list. Tap on the three horizontal line from the top right corner. From this menu, tap on Find Friends. These are some friend suggestions. From this list, scroll to the right. Tap on the option Contacts. Tap on the button Get Started. And you can see 22 matches found. That means 22 of your contacts are using Facebook. You can connect with them by tapping the Add Friend button. So that is how you can search Facebook users from your contacts. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more videos. Goodbye.